You've probably seen it before. Tall, fuzzy, almost regal-looking, growing along roadsides or in forgotten fields. That's mullein, nature's torch, the ancient healer, and one of the easiest medicinal plants you'll ever grow. Let's talk about why you should be growing it, and exactly how to do it right. First off, mullein isn't just beautiful. It's a powerhouse herb that's been used for centuries to support the lungs, soothe coughs, and calm inflammation. The leaves and flowers are both packed with natural compounds that help clear mucus, reduce irritation, and open airways, which is why it's a staple in so many herbal teas and tinctures. And it's not just for people. Mullein also attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Its tall yellow flower spikes become natural pollinator magnets in the garden. Now let's get into growing conditions, because mullein is as tough as it is healing. This plant thrives in poor, dry, even rocky soil. You don't need to baby it. In fact, if your soil is too rich or stays soggy, mullein won't be happy. It loves well-drained soil and full sunlight. The brighter, the better. If you're starting from seed, here's the trick. Mullein seeds need light to germinate, so don't bury them deep. Just press them gently onto the surface of moist soil and keep them warm. Germination usually takes 2 to 3 weeks. Once they sprout, you'll notice a soft, fuzzy rosette of leaves at the base. That's your first-year growth. Mullein is a biennial, meaning it spends its first year developing strong roots and leaves, and then, in the second year, it sends up that tall, flowering spike, sometimes reaching 6 to 8 feet high. During that first year, all you really need to do is make sure it doesn't get waterlogged. In the second year, when it flowers, you can collect the blossoms daily. They open over time, and dry them for tea or tinctures. After flowering, the plant will die back, but don't worry. It self-seeds like a pro. One plant can produce hundreds of thousands of seeds, and they can lie dormant in the soil for decades, waiting for the right moment to sprout. If you want to control where it grows, simply cut off the flower stalk before the seeds mature. But if you want a naturalized patch, let it go. Mullein will find its own rhythm. A few pro tips: don't overwater, don't fertilize, and don't stress if it's growing in the driest corner of your property. That's exactly where it wants to be. If you're in a colder climate, mullein can handle frost and even snow. It's incredibly hardy. So, why grow mullein? Because it's medicine in your backyard. It's beauty in simplicity. It's a plant that reminds us, not everything healing has to be complicated. Whether you're growing for your herbal apothecary, for the bees, or just for the wild look it brings to your garden, mullein deserves a place in your growing journey. So, go ahead, plant a few seeds, let nature do its thing, and watch this ancient healer rise tall. This is Growers Tips, helping you grow smarter, grow stronger, and grow with purpose. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with another grower, and subscribe for more wisdom straight from the soil. Until next time, keep your hands dirty and your garden thriving.